Hi everyone. I'd like to show you what it's like driving a wheelchair through a construction zone. What you're seeing is in the downtown area where I live. The area is being upgraded right now, and so the sidewalk is made up of a variety of mats that are rubber, wooden ramps that go over things like sewage, water, and gas piping. There's also gravel and then temporary construction site asphalt. There's a few key tips that I want to give to you if you're finding yourself in this situation. One of them is to drive slowly. Wheelchairs do not do well when the frame is bent. So in other words, what I'm telling you is to maintain control of your wheelchair. Secondly, I would highly encourage you to avoid construction sites like this if you have pneumatic or air-filled tires. The reason is that I've had repeated flat tires because of driving through construction sites. Save yourself the headache, detour around where you have to go and the path that you have to take. I'm also going to talk in terms of pain. You can see by the motion of the camera that there was a lot of bumps while I was filming this. Driving slow mitigates this and manages to give the best ride as is possible. You need to be aware of where other people are and be able to express to other people what your needs are. What I mean by this is, could you stand to the left, or you're fine where you're standing? May I drive by you? Or please hold your child's hand while I drive around you. These types of things is what I'm talking about. You need to not be distracted by the noises of the construction site and be able to maintain control of your wheelchair. And finally, remember that your wheelchair is a motorized vehicle. Don't lose sight of this and become focused on the environment. Keep yourself safe. Drive at a speed you can control your wheelchair, and focus on the ground in front of you. There's been times where I've had to backtrack to go around because I knew my wheelchair couldn't manage it. Avoid yourself the challenge of getting stuck if you are entering into terrain that's not suitable for your wheelchair. Thanks for this time that you spent with me today. Bye for now.